What's that animal?
A frog.
Is that a frog?
Yes.
What is that?
A wolf.
A wolf?
Mm.
What else you got in there?
A frog.
A frog? What's that?
A rat.
A giraffe.
A turtle.
A turtle. What else?
A bear.
A bear.
A dog.
What is that?
A tiger.
Tiger. Roar. What's that?
A coon.
A what? That's a panda bear. What's that one? See, that's a...
This.
Yeah, that's a panda bear, just like that one. Okay, what else you got? Yeah, what else? What other animals are there?
Penguin.
A penguin. All right, what about the trucks? Let's look at some trucks.
Okay. Excavator.
An excavator. What else is there?
Digger.
A digger. What else?
Excavator.
Oh, that's a mini digger.
A big digger.
Okay, let's turn to this page.
Wait.
What? Oh, okay, go back to that one. What's that one?
A truck.
A dump truck?
Just truck. What's that?
That one? I don't know what that's a skid.